During the day-to-day operations of the boiler, many things can affect the boiler operations. If not maintained within the optimum range, everything from fuel quality to water quality can hamper the performance as well as the life of the boiler. Most significant issue is the scaling on the water side, soot layer on the flue gas side, and corrosion layers on either side. These layers act as insulators on the metal surface and increase the resistance to heat flow. This has an adverse effect on everything from boiler efficiency to the overall boiler life. Due to increased thermal resistance, higher temperature difference is needed to transfer the same amount of heat. The steam requirement from a boiler is dependent on the requirement of the process plant. This means combustion of more fuel to achieve the same steam generation. This reduces boiler efficiency. Due to exposure to higher temperatures in the boiler, the corrosion effects are accelerated. This reduces the overall life of the boiler. The higher temperatures also means that the well-placed boiling regimes that we saw are also disturbed. The film boiling regime, which was restricted mainly to the furnace, now extends to the second pass. The transition boiling regime, which was to finish in the second pass only, now extends to the third pass. The third pass, which had the higher area for the high heat flux nucleate boiling, now hosts transition boiling at the entry. In worst cases of scaling, the third pass can be overwhelmed by transition boiling, with film boiling extending all the way to its entry. As the scaling layer thickness increases, it severely hampers a boiler's steam generation capacity, reducing it by as much as 50%. The soot and corrosion layers in the path of flue gases reduces the available cross-sectional area to flue gas flow. This leads to higher pressure drop and greater power load on the blower of the burner. Lastly, the presence on such invasive layers also reduces the dryness fraction of steam that the boiler can generate. This means there is more moisture present in the outgoing steam, which reduces the specific heating value of steam going to a process. This in turn increases the steam demand for the process, further stressing the boiler, which is already operating at higher loads due to the deteriorating effects of the scaling, etc. It is imperative, therefore, the health of a boiler must be maintained as effectively as we try to maintain the health of the human heart. In many ways, they both serve a similar function and are that much important for the overall health of a human body or the overall health of the plant.